By partnering with Business Case Challenge, OMV wants to inspire students to get jointly creative and innovative. We believe that diverse perspectives lead to better solutions, and in order to innovate, we need to collaborate.
For us as a university, our third mission implies that we also connect with stakeholders outside of our university, may that be students from other universities, companies, or school kids. And this is what we try to achieve with the Business Case Challenge.
What inspired me was the great opportunity to network and great opportunity to use the academic knowledge for real-world problems, in this case for the energy sector, create a great business case, pitch it to the specialists and receive feedback and gain experience.
Definitely my creative skills, kind of thinking outside of the box and really applying them to real life concepts also after school when it's not only theory anymore.